and welcome all to my channel. I'm going to show you today how to do a cartoon character. For that we need to know about the things we use like eyes, nose and the shape and everything about the character. So what I'm going to show you first, the circles. As I have told you in my earlier videos that you need to practice circles every day, and how it will be helpful for the character to do is that like you did one circle over here, and this is called the center line, and this is called the eye line. So the place where the center line and the eye line will intersect, there you can make one nose. Okay, now it's time to make the eyes. Eyes you can make again round and round. Okay, this side eyes will be little smaller than this because this is facing towards the camera, so it will be little bigger as compared to this one. And now what I'll do eyebrows. How to do the eyebrows? It's also a very simple thing. What you did earlier is this eyes, so you have to make another big eye like this, and for this as well like this. And now the mouth. Okay, the ear you can draw over here. The eyeline is there, the point where it will end, there you can start your ear. Okay, so now what you'll do, we'll do the detail over here. Eyes, and here the eyebrows. So as you can see, I am giving the shape to my character. So the round is the base over here, and you can make some changes if you like to. If you think your character is little chubby or it is round, then it is okay, but you have to make the necessary changes. So this is my character I am doing with some basic features. So now as I have done the face, I'll do the hair part. So this I'm going to do like this, and the hair part maybe like this. Or maybe some different way. If I don't like, then I have this eraser and I'll erase this. Okay, see, and now I'll extend the body part. So what I'm going to do is, here I have made the face, so I'll go down, I'll see how much height this character should be. So what I'm doing, one circle over here again, and here a small circle, and I'll join this. Okay, and now here the center line is here and is going down here, and again it is coming from here. This is also the center line of the body. This was the center line of the face. As here one line is there, that is called the eye line. Here I'll draw one line that is called belt line, because this is the place where the character will wear a belt. So I'm going to extend to make the legs. So it depends how I am planning to do the legs. I'll do simple like this. Okay, very simple, like this and like this. Okay, so what is missing over here? Neck. So I'm going to draw the neck over here. Now it's time to do the hands. I'm thinking how to do the hands.
So it will be somewhat like this.
So here is the character. The rough outline is ready. So if I want to make him wear the shorts, I can make it over here. The necessary things you can do over here. If any lines you are not confident about, then you can make it and you can do the necessary changes over here too, because this is not the final thing you're doing. So it's just the rough. So hey you, as if he's telling me. Hey. So I'll make another character over here. As if he's telling, who, me? So these are the two characters I'm trying to show you how I used to do, and these are very basic characters. As you can see, circle is there, here also one circle is there. Out of this I'm trying to make the characters. So what you have to do is you need to practice the circles like I'm doing here, and you have to join the two circles like this. So yeah, it is very important to do the circle practice, because most of the things in these type of drawings, in these type of character making or character designing, you require circles. So it's not a perfect circle, but it will give you certain shape to the character, and you can design your own characters. Yeah, it is simple though, but I'll tell you some things. Yeah, like in circle you need to practice this nose, eyes and mouth, ears, okay, eyes, eyebrows, okay. Now in body, circle, okay, body. So roughly you need to design your character yeah. For today this is the thing I thought to tell you and show you some characters how I used to do. So thanks and bye bye.